Hello everyone and welcome to Fusion Cuisine. Today I'll show you how to make a very popular Indo-Chinese recipe known as Chilli Paneer. It's very easy to make at home. It also looks really attractive without using any food color. Now let's take a look at the recipe. I have taken here 200 grams of paneer and will marinate with all the ingredients as shown here. Be very gentle while mixing, else the paneer being soft will crumble. Ensure each and every piece of paneer is coated really well with the mixture. Now take a pan, add oil and shallow fry the paneer until it's well cooked. The crispy and flavored paneer is ready. Keep it aside. In the same pan, pour little oil. When hot, add garlic. Then saute all the vegetables as shown here. This is homemade red chilli paste. To make this, I have soaked together few red chillies and ginger in water for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also add more chillies as per your taste. This brings nice color and taste to the recipe. As I'm making the dry chili paneer, you can see I added little water which helps to bring all the sauce together. If you want to make semi-gravy, then add a spoonful mixture of corn flour and water at this stage. Add the fried paneer cubes and mix until this beautiful sauce coats the paneer very well. Go. The yummy chili paneer is ready. I'm sure even you agreed this was very easy to make. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to share this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye bye.